Hi. Let's learn about the circular flow model, definition and calculation. The circular flow model demonstrates how money moves through society. Money flows from producers to workers as wages and flows back to producers as payment for products. Economists have added more factors to better depict complex modern economies. For that reason, the model is also referred to as the circular flow of income model. The circular flow model helps understand how money moves within an economy. It breaks the economy down into two primary players, households and corporations. It also separates the markets that these participants operate in as markets for goods and services and the markets for the factors of production. There are different types of circular flow models, each with a different number of sectors it tracks. Potential sectors that could be included are the household sector, business sector, government sector, foreign sector, and financial sector. In the circular flow model, money is injected into the economy and is withdrawn or leaked through various means as well. Taxes imposed by the government, money paid to foreign companies for imports, and savings by businesses are some examples of leakages. GDP is calculated as consumer spending plus government spending plus business investment plus the sum of exports minus imports. It's an indicator of the financial health of an economy, and governments and central banks adjust fiscal and monetary policy to boost growth when there is declining GDP. Consider a circular flow model involving Apple employees and Apple product consumers. In this example, we'll also include the government to form a three-sector circular flow model. This example highlights the complexity of the circular flow model as inputs and outputs are continually cycling throughout a systematic economy. A circular flow model doesn't necessarily end or have an outcome. Instead, it describes the current position of an economy regarding how its inflows and outflows are used. This information can be used to make changes about the economy. It is called a circular flow model because the economy often moves in a circle as money flows from one sector to another. It depicts how cash flow moves money from one sector to the next in a systematic, organized way. A circular flow model depicts where an economy is now, but it fails to clearly communicate how a change in one variable may impact all other flows. It may not explain how one change will numerically change other values. The global economy is incredibly interconnected, and this is often graphically depicted using the circular flow model. The cycle shows how the resources of one sector are used to develop others in a cyclical manner. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. The circular flow model demonstrates how money moves from producers to households and back again in an endless loop. 2. The models can be made more complex to include additions to the money supply, like exports, and leakages from the money supply, like imports. 3. When all of these factors are totaled, the result is a nation's gross domestic product, GDP, or the national income. 4. Analyzing the circular flow model and its current impact on GDP can help governments and central banks adjust monetary and fiscal policy to improve an economy. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.